Good afternoon, everybody. Myself, Raghuveer Jha. I am going to teach about like decimals and unlike decimals. Like decimals are those decimals which have same number of decimal places. That means they have same number of digits after decimal. Whereas unlike decimals are those decimals which have different number of decimal places. That means they have different number of digits after decimal point. Locate these numbers: 9.348, 78.5, 171.492, 1.704, 86.12, 97.13, 185.6, 172.34, 17.4, 18.34, etc. Here 185.6, 17.4 and 8.5 have one digit after decimal point, so they are like decimals. Similarly 86.12, 97.13, 172.34, 18.34 have two digits after decimal point, so they come in same group and called like decimals. In the same way 9.348, 171.492, 1.704 are like decimals because they have same number of digits after decimal point. Thus like decimals are those decimals which have same number of decimal places. That means they have same number of digits after decimal point. Unlike decimals are those decimals which have different number of decimal places. For example, 0.09, 98.2, 49.70, 9.348, 78.5214 are unlike decimals because they have different number of decimal places or different number of digits after decimal point. Conversion of unlike decimals into a group of like decimal. We can convert unlike decimals into like decimals by making same number of digits after decimal point. This can be done by adding 0 after decimal so that they have same numbers of decimal place. That means they should have same number of digits after decimal. Then they are called like decimal. For example, we convert 5.3, 7.19, 0.37684 into like decimals. Here in the given number, the maximum number of decimal places is 3. So we convert each number into 3 decimal places by adding 0 in it. Thus like decimals of given numbers would be as follows: 5.300, 7.190, 0.376, 84.00. That means they have same decimal places. Question 2. Convert 6.78, 7.9, 8.432, 6.5321 into like decimals. Here maximum number of decimal places, that is maximum number of digits after decimal are 4. Hence, to convert above numbers into like decimals, all decimal numbers should have 4 decimal places, that is 4 digits after decimal point. Thus the like decimal should be as follows: 6.7800, 7.9000, 8.4320, 6.5321. Now I give you some classwork from worksheet 5. Encircle the pairs of like decimals A 3.5, 1.68, B 11.27, 7.831, C 16.8, 7.3, D 1.382, 21.671, E 93.21, 93.217, F 0.101, 0.010. You have to encircle only those numbers which are like decimal. Question number 2. Convert into a group of like decimals. A 1.8, 31.629, 17.26, 5.01. B 400, 5.3, 45.38, 45.03, 45.8. C 85.785, 201.3, 9.1, 16.65. I give you some problem to solve in SW and show me at my WhatsApp number. Questions are: first question, encircle the pairs of like decimals A 3.9, 4.7, B 3.897, 4.62, C 6.235, 7.298, D 4.9812, 6.4321, E 1.31, 9.435, F 5.43, 6.7. Question number 2 is: convert into a group of like decimals A 0.105, 0.5, 0.05, B 6.2, 6.271, 6.3, C 143.85, 68.095, 78.4, D 24.32, 21.652, 14.3294, E 16.5, 27.9, 38.523, F 12.23, 14.1, 16.927. Thank you and have a nice day.